we here at Cramney's Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, my first message this week is to congratulate and say a really big thank you to all of our students out there who pop into the office during recess and lunchtime, collect a bucket and some tongs, and wander around the school doing some great things for the school in picking up that odd bit of litter. So well done, children. I'm absolutely amazed. Well, I'm not really amazed because I know we've got great kids here, but I'm really, really thankful for all the students that give up their time to do good things for the school. Well, my next message is once again is to say how wonderful my day is at school every single day. And part of the reason it's a great day every day is because the amount of children that come into my office during recess and lunchtime and share with me all the great things they're doing in their learning, the wonderful things they're doing at school, the fun they're having with their friends. And I did say the other day, I think I need to get a bigger office. So great to hear all the wonderful things our students are doing around the school during the day. My next message is a reminder, we've got a movie night coming up, an outdoor movie night coming up on Friday evening, the 18th of March. Children, you will need to be with an adult, and families, you will need to purchase tickets through Compass. And I would suggest you get in quick because the tickets are selling very, very fast. It's a wonderful opportunity to offer the movie night. As you know, we've tried to schedule this for well over 2 years now, so absolutely fantastic we can offer that to our school community. Reminder, next week we have school photos as well, and please don't come to school on Monday, because Monday is the public holiday and the school will be closed. So enjoy a sleep in, do all those wonderful fun things you normally do. And one thing I will say is please make sure you do some reading on that day. The importance of reading every single day. It can be anything from brochures that arrive in the letterbox through to books, comics, anything you may have at home. And look, other than that, just have a wonderful long weekend, and a big congratulations to all our students for your resilience and continued work in wearing masks around the school. All right, take care, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Bye now.
bright and sunny day, with the
these two students, it was a gloomy and lonely recess. Until they decided to sit on the friendship bench.
If you haven't noticed already, we have now got an amazing new sign for our friendship bench.
The friendship bench is located outside in the Agora, near the science room and library. They are purple and yellow.
The friendship bench is a place for anyone to come and find some new friends.
See the friendship bench whenever you might be feeling lonely or don't have anyone to play with.